Have you ever thought of your investments as a passport to financial freedom? Imagine each type of investment as a different visa stamp in that passport, each leading you to a new destination on your journey to financial independence. First stop, the land of stocks. Stocks, or the shares of a company, are like a visa to the world of corporate profits. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a piece of that company's potential successes and risks. The pros? Stocks can offer high returns and are highly liquid, meaning you can buy or sell them easily. But tread carefully, because the stock market can be volatile, and the value of your investment can go down as well as up. Next, we journey to the vast landscapes of real estate. Investing in real estate means buying physical property, whether it's a residential home, a commercial building, or land. The advantages? Real estate can provide steady cash flow in the form of rent, and it's a tangible asset, something you can see and touch. But remember, real estate requires a significant initial investment and ongoing maintenance costs, and it's not as easy to sell as stocks. Finally, we arrive in the futuristic world of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. The allure? Crypto can offer enormous returns and it's easily transferable, making it a truly global investment. However, it's important to note that the world of crypto is highly speculative and incredibly volatile, and it's not yet widely accepted as a form of payment. So there you have it. Each investment type is a unique visa stamp in your financial passport, leading you to new and exciting destinations in your journey to financial freedom. Stocks provide a ticket to corporate profits, real estate offers a path to tangible assets and steady income, and cryptocurrencies open doors to the digital frontier. But remember, as with any journey, it's essential to do your research, understand the risks, and seek advice if needed. After all, the best passport to financial freedom is a well-rounded, diversified portfolio. So, get ready to start stamping your financial passport and embark on your journey to financial independence.